heanwo thiini wa counties. Kwena kindu gitagwo public participation. Public participation iyo ikagwo irehagwo no andu aya moragite andu aya makomete haha makahakana makarehe andu makaugiriria makaheo ma license. Ogwo ni undu kwenda urorwo tondu ona license icio ikiheanagwo ni tondu itire harari no ni andu mahetwo njohi amwe na angi makahakwo niguo metikire kuheana. Gerekia reke njuge ni undu wa mwana wa kahi thiini wa Mount Kenya ni muonete ngithie na bururi mugima ungikona mwene mbegu anjiriria kuragwo mumenye ni mwathira kana tiguo. Ungithio urime mugunda ona we expert uriko na we professor uriko urime na urime wega utari na mbegu gutire kindu ngigetha nima. Ciana cito ni ikuete cia kahi na nikio muonete o muthenya ndirathie ngimaragiria riu ona ndacuthiriria haha riria turathire tukiaragiria mwana wa kahi riu ona ti aingi haha riu maracokereiria aciari ao na maithe mao na ari anyina riu no atigara na marambire marahe ciana cia tuhi maraheo njohi marathira turatigwo na atumia ndigwa. Riu atumia ndigwa ninge ni makorogerwo thumu ni waya. I want to say we are very sad. And it is not possible that the laws that are supposed to protect life are the same people who we have employed with our taxes. They sit in their courts, they sit in wherever they are as civil servants. And the only thing they do is to entertain themselves with corruption and killing our people. I pray, because I was here on Saturday and we prayed, that this is going to be the last time. I'm also speaking on behalf of the church because we are here. The church does not need any permission from anybody to protect life. Our constitution, which is the Holy Bible, refuses anybody to kill another. And we are going to pray and we are going to act. We are going to be where our people are and we are going to make sure that the people of Kenya are protected by the law of God and the law of the country, because this is the government. May they be poor, they need to be protected. And this is exactly what we are saying today. If you see the church there, we are united. And we are saying, ciana cito, etekirai moke murire kanitha-ini. Nitũkũmũhe irio, tũmũthambie, tũmwarĩrie, na tũcoke twarie na thirikari. Tũmenye ũrĩa mũgũthiĩ rehabilitation na mwetherwo mawĩra marĩa mũkũruta. Ũguo nĩ wega? Ngai amwĩke wega. Our governor come now and invite the deputy president.
Na sasa ningeomba kwa heshima tusimame tumkaribishe naibu wa rais ambaye pia ni kiongozi wetu upande huu wa Mount Kenya, His Excellency Gachagua. Tumpigie makofi tafadhali.
Asante sana. Tafadhali tuketi. Tafadhali tuketi. Asante sana kanisa, baba wetu maaskofu waliokuweko hapa, familia sahawa wapendo wetu ambao wamelala hapa, gavana wetu wa Kirinyaga Ann Mumbi Waiguru, senator wetu Bwana Murango, women rep wetu Kasheri, jumbe Mary Mainge, wale wajumbe wote ambao wamefika hapa, waziri wetu wa ardhi na manyumba Alice Wahome, secretary wetu cabinet Masi Wanjao, our PS Udhoni, na wale wote ambao wamefika hapa kuomboleza na kuja kuwasidikisha hawa wapendwa wetu. Hamjambo. God is good and all the time. Gaidia isiare na ine mwathani agosho rege. Nimefika hapa pia nikiwa na huzuni kubwa na majonzi kwa kupoteza watu 17 kwa safari moja.